Hello guys, my name is Modestus Mado. I want to welcome you especially to this new app I just developed to improve how electrical installation is taught and learned in our colleges and other institutions of similar nature across the globe. I basically developed this app to keep everything about electrical installation bay for learners so that while they are learning, they will be able to visualize all the processes, switching operations, response of protective devices to faults. They'll be able to visualize everything and see what is going on and be able to understand it better, which will equally keep them away from risk and hazards associated with the workshop practices for those who are fresh learners. So this app will go a long way to make things a lot easier because you will visualize whatever you want to do first on system before you move ahead to do them on the physical workshop. So I'm going to move you down to this app to show you bits and pieces of what this app can help you achieve. Stay tuned.